EHANG 184 is the safest, smartest, and eco-friendly low-altitude autonomous aerial vehicle aiming on providing medium-short distance transportation solution. Early in 2013, EHANG started a disruptive and revolutionary plan of making this new generation of autonomous vehicle. This vehicle is set to match three philosophies: absolute safety by design, automation, and sync flight management platform. In 2011, EHANG's founder and CEO Hua Zhishi's best friend Chen Ji deceased from a flight accident. Shortly after, Hua Zhishi's helicopter coach also lost his life when a helicopter malfunctioned. Those two accidents erases Hua Zhishi's determination of designing an absolute safe aerial vehicle. In 2013, Hua Zhishi dropped everything, starting from designing bigger motors and augmenting his flight control system. In 2014, Guangzhou EHANG was founded and commercialized the Ghost Drone 1.0 as a consumer product. And at the same time, EHANG 184 project continues. With a reunion with its alumni and old buddies in the industry, EHANG established its core engineering team associated with EHANG 184 AAV that included Sun Xun and Liu Renping, whom Hua Zhishi worked together back in 2005 and built the first coaxial double-rotor helicopter in China. This is how we started. This is the uncultivated land that we use for test flights. During the raining season, we can only fly inside. Sometimes we test the AAV in the dark of the nights. It doesn't always go with what you expected. We took the data, analyzed the root cause, and get back to flying once more. The journey of EHANG 184 is paved with obstacles, but we keep making unremitting endeavors to successfully achieve the design KPI of prototype during the test flights. And this leads to the official project kickoff of EHANG 184 AAV. EHANG designed and developed our own propeller dynamic testing system. This is how we have done it. EHANG attracted the best talents to work on structural design, industrial modeling design, and manufacturing delivered by top composite material team. All part of EHANG 184 are designed and produced by ourselves. Here comes the official testing for EHANG 184 chassis, group of engineers on site, troubleshooting and reload. We have the application designed for EHANG 184. After setting up the flight plan with a single click, user can take off on any location, sit, relax, and enjoy the flight. EHANG will always keep in mind of its humble beginning, put our heart and soul with the products we build. Absolute safety by design, automation, and sync flight management platform. You have our word. Once we begin, we will never give up.